This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Demilis Robles. Welcome to your dream home. This beautifully maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom property boasts an inviting split-open floor plan, offering the perfect balance of privacy and spaciousness. Ideal for families and entertaining, the open layout seamlessly connects the living, dining, and kitchen areas, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Step outside to your fully fenced backyard, enclosed with durable and stylish vinyl fencing for added privacy and security. Enjoy the Florida lifestyle year-round in the enclosed lanai, a perfect space to relax, entertain, or simply unwind. Additional features include a state-of-the-art water filtration system, ensuring pristine water quality throughout the home. The beautifully landscaped entryway greets you and your guests with vibrant greenery, adding a touch of elegance and charm to the property's curb appeal. Don't miss the opportunity to make this stunning property your own. Schedule a showing today. For more information,